So for this first activity in PLTW in GeoGebra, you can use geogebra.org to work on this. I know there's a program on your computer. You can use that as well. That one's a little bit easier to use. So I'm going to show you how to use this, since you can use this on your laptop, your Chromebook, wherever, and from anywhere. So once you go to geogebra.org, you're going to click on Start Graphing. It's going to open in a new window, this kind of like calculator looking thing. We actually don't need the calculator. We need the one up here with the shape, the tools. So click on Tools. And the first thing you wanted to do was plot a point. So we're going to put a point. So grab point. And then over here, we're trying to put the point at 8, 3. So then we're just going to tap at 8, 3, and you've got your point A. Now I'm going to have to move this because I need the first quadrant more. So I'm going to click the move and just drag that over so I can see the first quadrant better. All right, then there's another point at 10, 5. So we're going to grab point again. You saw me click on point, and then we're going to go to 10, 5 and click. And you can see there's point A and B. So now we need a line. So I'm going to come back over here to my tools. And we're going to scroll down until you see a line. Here we go. So I'm just going to click on line, and we're going to click on those 2 points. I'm going to click on point A and point B. And once you click on B, your line is set. The next thing said to make a perpendicular line to line segment AB. So I'm going to grab the perpendicular line. It didn't say perpendicular bisector, but if you want it right in the middle, you can pick that. So now with perpendicular line, you have to click on the line first, and then you can put it anywhere on the line. All of these lines are perpendicular. Since it said to line segment AB, you want to make sure it's between A and B, since that is the line segment they asked. My brain wants me to pick right in the middle of that perpendicular bisector. Even though I didn't pick that tool, you can still do that just by picking a point. And you don't have to pick a point on the line. You could have picked that point anywhere on the graph. All right, so now that you have your 2 points, your line, and your perpendicular line, we need to draw a square. So we're going to look for, I see circles down at the bottom. We want a square. We don't want to measure. We want to construct something. Let's see if we can find some more tools. It's just for the graphics. Let's see. In the other GeoGebra, it's just like a little kind of square put in. You might have to Google it. Let's see. Make a square in GeoGebra Online. There's always a way. So these are actual GeoGebra, not the online. It says the perpendicular line tool to construct a square without the regular polygon. Okay, let's try it. What have we got over here? We don't need a table. Let's get some help. We want the square or polygon tools. That's what polygon tool. Search. It's displayed in this fun little thing. Okay, so we want I don't think that's right. In the algebra view. Somehow we need to figure out how to get to the algebra view. Got graphing calculator, geometry. Let's try geometry. Okay, I definitely wanted to start over. That's fun. And the grid, please. I appreciate you. We want major grid lines. Excellent. All right, so again, that point was at 8-3. In case you missed that first part of the video and you just wanted to, I don't know, see it all over again. It's a fun time. Click the point 10-5. Remember the line from A to B. We're going to click on more and hope there's there's the perpendicular line. So remember, you click on the line and then you click on the point that you want that to go through. All right, we're back. Now we're going to click on the polygon tool, and it says the vertices are at 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, 5, 5, 0. And then with the polygon tool, you just have to go back and click on the first point again. Beautiful. I'm going to right click and try settings. Beautiful. Color, we just need to change the color it said. So I'm going to pick like an orange, and the opacity. So you can change that to whatever you like. It just has to be changed. Okay. And now we need to make a circle. So we're going to make a circle. We know the center point's at 2, 2, and we know the radius is 1. So now we have our circle. You would take a screenshot of this or save it and then submit to your teacher. Let's see if there's a nice way to save it on here. Yep. You can just save that little guy. You can also export the image, so you can take just a picture of it if you don't just have the screenshot tool on your computer. And you can save that. This one was my first challenge. And just save that right there.